In this video lecture, we will discuss about verb patterns, verb plus to infinitive, how we use to infinitive in a sentence. So basically there are many ways we use to infinitive in a sentence. So there are different patterns. The first pattern is subject plus verb plus to infinitive. Here to infinitive is used as an object of the main verb. If we take an example, he forgot to take breakfast. Here forgot is the main verb and to infinitive is used as the object of the verb. John wants to learn English. Here wants is the main verb. We decided to go there. They refused to talk. So in all these examples, to infinitive is used as object of the verb. The common verbs used in this pattern are like, love, prefer, begin, intent, start, agree, learn, expect, promise, propose, desire, wish, offer, forget, remember, fear, refuse, hope, dislike, choose, continue, hate, try, attempt. So these are some common verbs which can be used as a main verb and to infinitive as an object of these verbs. The next pattern is subject plus verb plus noun or pronoun plus to infinitive. He asked me to do some work. Here main verb is asked and to infinitive is to do some work. So we can also use to infinitive after the noun pronoun in a sentence. The doctor advised him to relax. She asked me to bring food. Smith taught her to swim. So in all these examples, we use to infinitive after the noun or a pronoun. The common verb used in this pattern are ask, tell, order, command, persuade, wish, want, request, expect, intend, dare, urge, tempt, teach, help, warn, like, love, hate, allow, permit, remind, force, cause, means. These are some common verbs in this pattern form. Next pattern is subject plus verb plus interrogative plus to infinitive. I don't know what to do. Here interrogative is what we use to infinitive after the interrogative. We forgot how to do it. We must remember where to take turn. Smith knows how to drive a car. So these are some examples of this pattern. The common verbs used in this pattern are know, consider, learn, understand, find out, settle, decide, guess, explain, inquire, see, forget, wonder, and remember. Next pattern is subject plus verb plus adjective plus to infinitive. It is used to express emotions and desire. He is afraid to do it alone. Here afraid is the adjective and we use to infinitive after the adjective in a sentence. I was glad to see her. We are happy to see you. They were sad to hear the news of his death. So in all these examples, we use to infinitive after the adjective in a sentence. Next pattern is it plus be plus adjective plus of plus noun or pronoun plus to infinitive. It is kind of you to help us. It was unwise of me to lend him money. It is unwise of him to drink too much. It was clever of you to solve this puzzle. So these are some examples of this pattern. The next pattern is subject plus verb plus adjective plus to infinitive. Here the infinitive after easy, difficult, hard, impossible and many more. The food is difficult to digest. It is hard to get notice. Math is difficult to understand. The book is easy to read. So all these are the example of this pattern. Next pattern is it plus be plus adjective plus to infinitive. It is hard to get notice. It was impossible to win. It is bad to borrow money. It is difficult to learn English. So all these examples are of this pattern. The next pattern is subject plus verb plus to plus adverb or adjective plus to infinitive. He is too weak to carry the box. My sister is too young to go to school. Rohan is too lazy to work. I am too busy to do the work. These are some examples of this pattern. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.